All right, I'm showing you pretty much the ending of this job, but it's also critical too. We have a test bar in here, and we put new spindle bearings in it because it had way too much slop. If you're trying to figure out like scraping or whatnot, you don't know if this thing's hanging down and you're scraping this thing in a nosedive or up high or whatever the case is. So the cool thing with these are G&L Fraser, Giddings and Lewis Fraser something. So it's a centering machine for the most part. You got two heads, and then you got a fixture in the center, and it just centers the shaft. Well, the cool thing about G&L is everything's, you could reference everything. So we were able to clean up the top here. We scraped a little bit of it, not to as it going to zero, but just trying to flatten it out, stone it. And we were able to indicate all the surfaces, so then we could get this pretty much close. But you know, we already ground the saddle. We already ground the top of the saddle. What we're doing is we're getting our height compared to the other side that's at the customer. That's why I got these big old shims over here. I don't know if you can see these. So that is our fluff area. So we ground them. I think we're a little bit low, like maybe a thou or maybe right on the money. No, actually I take it back. We're 10 thousandths high. And then we're gonna glue these things, and then we're gonna flip it over, rest it on here, and then I'll grind it to the perfect height. I'm sorry about that, I misspoke. But that's what's going to be taking place tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going to glue it. The following day we're going to grind it. And then after that, there's some pads and, that we have to use for kicking this thing left and right. We'll go out to the customer and then install it for them. So they only want the one side done, but what we did is we left this one pretty close to center line as the other one using our height gauge. And that's pretty much it. So this is the end of everything. Not really showing you much. We'll show you maybe if we could glue this tomorrow and show you how much glue we put on it, how thick this is and everything else. But that's where we're at with this one. So thank you.